Hello students, as we have already started your grammar syllabus with chapter number 1 sentences, now we will continue your grammar with chapter number 2 nouns. Okay, now we will study about nouns. So before studying about nouns, let us about parts of speech. So what are parts of speech? These are the different classes or categories into which words are divided to study language. Okay, so what is a part of speech? Whenever we want to study any language, especially English language that you are learning right now, all the words that we are using to write or to speak this language, they all are divided into different classes or categories. Okay, and these division is called the parts of speech. Okay, so there are total 8 parts of speech in our English language. And those 8 parts of speech are: number 1, noun; number 2, pronoun; number 3 is your adjective; number 4, verb; number 5 is adverb; number 6 is preposition; number 7 is conjunction; number 8 is interjection. Okay, so these 8 are the parts of speech in our language. Okay, so these parts of speech are very important, bacha, in any language. So when you will learn about noun, you will come to know that how important noun is in a sentence. So today we will start with the nouns only. The further categories or the parts of speech you will learn in your class, but later on. Okay, one by one we will learn all the parts of speech. So first is the turn of noun. So what is a noun? Noun is, as we all know, noun is a naming word. Okay, that gives name to something. So it can be the name of a person or animal, place, or a thing. And a noun can also name a feeling or an idea even. Okay, so it can also give the name to a feeling or idea or emotion. Examples are here. Few examples are Yamuna, Nitin, Dehradun, mother, boy, navy, jealousy, fear, bus, airport, honesty, sugar, etc. Okay, there are many nouns. So as you can see that Yamuna, Nitin and Dehradun, we are writing in capital. We are starting these words with capital letters, and rest of the words are written in small letters. They are starting with the small letters. There is a reason behind it. We will learn it further. So now just look at the few pictures. Here you can see that there is a river. Okay, or an ocean you can say, or you can name it. If you are we are talking about river, you can call it Yamuna, Ganga or anything. So that is a noun. River is also a noun, ocean is also a noun, Yamuna is also a noun. Here you can see that there is a boy, okay, and 2 boys of small size. So you can say it that it is a boy or a man. That is also a noun. Here you can see that there are many buildings over here, or you can call it a city also. So city is also a noun. Building is also a noun. If you will call it Dehradun, then also it is a noun. So here next you can see it is a bus. Bus is a noun. Here the boy, you can see that he is looking very angry. Okay, so angry, the feeling is of anger. So anger is also a noun. Here is an animal, that is a deer. Okay, and the fawn is also there, the child of that. So they both are also categorized as noun. Okay, so learn about the kinds of noun. So there are total 5 kinds of noun. First is your proper noun. Proper noun, here you can see the picture of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, so Mr. Narendra Modi means we know the name of this person, the particular name of this person. So this comes under your proper noun. Next is common noun. For example, this picture, you can see that there is a man. we don't know what is the name of this man. Okay, we can call him a man only. Okay, this is a man. So it comes under a common noun because man is commonly used. Okay, if we don't know the person, we can call them a man or a boy. Next is your collective noun. Now here you can see in this picture that there is a collection of people. Many people are here. Okay, and they are looking closely related to each other, so we can call them family. So family is the closely related persons, so they can come under collective noun. Family is a collective noun. Abstract noun. Now what is abstract noun? Abstract noun, here you can see with the picture, later on I will define all your kinds of nouns in detail. So here in this picture you can see that there is a girl who is serving the old lady, means it is showing the care, right? So this picture is showing the care towards the old lady, so this comes under your abstract noun. Next is your material noun. Material noun, here in this picture you can see there is gold bars. Okay, so the gold is a material noun. Why? Because gold is a thing which is used for making something. Okay, so it is a material. So let us learn about all these kinds of nouns in detail. So first kind of noun is your proper noun. So just see what is proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now, do you remember that in the first slide where we have learnt about the noun, definition of noun, there we have seen that three words were written in capital letter. They were starting with capital letter, right? So they were proper nouns. So a proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing, and a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. It is the biggest sign of it, okay, that it is a proper noun. Examples are here. For example, Sachin, Ganga, Taj Mahal, Arpita, Holi, October, Sunday, Everest. Okay, so these are like that, which are where you can see that every word is starting with a capital letter, and they are the particular names of something. Okay, for example, Sachin is the name of a particular boy, Ganga is a name of the particular river, Taj Mahal is a particular name of a monument. Okay, Holi is the name of a particular festival. Okay, so all these words are names of persons, places, festivals, mountains, monuments, etc. As these words are the particular names given to these categories, they are called proper nouns. Okay, so we are giving them particular names in the different categories, so that's why they are the proper nouns, and they are starting with the capital letter. Here in these pictures you can see that Sachin Tendulkar is here. We all know the name of this person, so we will call him by name. We will say that he is Sachin Tendulkar. This is Taj Mahal. Holi, you can see they are celebrating Holi, and this is your Mount Everest. Okay. So now proper noun, hopefully you have understood. After proper noun, we will learn about the common noun. So what is a common noun? A common noun is a name shared by every person, place, animal, or thing of the same kind. Okay, the kind should be same. For example, if we are saying a girl, girl means every girl is called a girl. So means the kind should be same. So it is a name shared by every person, place, animal, or thing of the same kind, and it does not refer to any particular person or thing. Okay. Examples are here. Tree means all the trees. We call them tree. Okay. If we are saying banyan tree, so that will be a proper noun. Tree, river, hill, table, man, woman, girl, etc. Okay. All these are the examples of common noun. The common names given to all of the to the category of the same kind. Okay. All the hills are called hill only. Table, there is no differentiation. Okay. So Ganga is a proper noun, but if we will use the word river, then it will be a common noun. Okay. For example, James, if we are calling a boy with the name whom we know, we are calling him James, then it will be a proper noun. And if we will call him by saying man, if we don't know that person, we will tell him or we will call him man, then it will be a common noun. Okay? Means river is the category, Ganga is a particular name, man is a category or a kind, and James is a particular name. Now here you can see that trees are here. Okay, they can be converted into plural form also. Here you can see boys are here, we don't know the names of them. Here you can see that there is a table over here. Here you can see that hills are here. Okay, and she is a girl or a woman, anything you can call her, as we don't know the name of this person, right? So after common noun, hopefully you have understood this. After common noun, about collective noun. So collective noun, as the name suggests, Bacha, collective means the collection. Okay. So a collective noun is the name of a group or class of persons, animals, places, or things of the same kind. Means if we are giving a single particular name to a collection, okay, or to a group, then it is called a collective noun. Class, examples are given here: class, team, bundle, bunch, crowd, troop, etc. are the few examples of collective noun. Okay, class, class of students, no? Team, team of any your cricket team or for any play, the team is there. Okay, so bundle, bunch, crowd, troop, etc. like this. They are the examples. So crowd means many people taken together. Crowd, when we will call it a crowd, when many people are together. As you can see in this picture, many people are standing together in this picture. So we will call them a crowd. So next, troop. Troop is the collection of soldiers. As you can see in this picture, there's many soldiers are here. Okay, so we can call them troop. Next, bundle. So bundle is a collection of paper, or the bundle of sticks also we can call. Bundle could be any, mean the collection of anything that is bind together. So here you can see that in the picture that there are two bundles of papers. Or here you can see that there is a your bunch of grapes. Okay. Next, after collective noun, we will learn about the abstract noun. So what is abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of a quality or feeling or state of mind or idea that do not have a physical form. Means physical form means that we cannot see. It is something that we cannot see or touch, but we can only feel or think about. Okay, so that will be called an abstract noun. So wisdom, beauty, belief, childhood, thickness, happiness, poverty, innocence, life. These are the few examples of abstract noun. These we cannot see with our eyes. Okay, we cannot hear them, we cannot see them. We can only feel or think about them. Okay. For example, if we will see some person, we will say that this is a wise person. Okay, so wisdom is there, but it is not visible. Okay, it is not visible to you. You cannot see with your eyes to it. You can only feel or think about it. You can only observe that. So here you can see that children are looking over here, means childhood is here in this picture. Here you can see that happiness is here. In the next picture, you can see that poverty is looking over here. Okay, by watching the picture, you can see or you can feel the thing, right? So abstract, there is a formation of abstract noun with different kind of words. For example, you can form the abstract noun with the common nouns. Okay, common noun, from the common nouns, how you can convert them into abstract noun. Just see the examples. Examples are here. For example, student is a common noun, right? And if you want to convert it into abstract noun, you will convert it into study. Study is the abstract noun. Servant is a common noun and service is the abstract noun. Friend is a common noun and friendship is an abstract noun. Okay. Abstract noun can also be formed from adjectives. How? The examples are here. For example, kind. Okay. So kind, adjective, kind is the adjective, and if you will convert it into abstract, you will call it kindness. Okay. Able is adjective, ability is your abstract noun. Confident is adjective and confidence is the abstract noun. Okay. Next, you can convert it from verbs as well. From verbs, few examples are here. Grow. Grow is a verb, but growth is abstract noun. Punish is a verb. Punishment is abstract noun. Invent is a verb, but invention is the abstract noun. Okay. So these are the formations of abstract noun. The material noun. Okay. The fifth kind of noun of yours. What is material noun? Material noun, as the name suggests, it is related to the material. Okay. So what is material? It is the name of material of substance used as an ingredient to make something. Okay. For making something, we know we need some ingredients. For example, if you're cooking something, if your mother is cooking something, she needs the ingredients to make that, right? So if we are not having the ingredients, if we are not having the substances or the material, we will not be able to make anything. So material or substance used as an ingredient to make something is called your material noun. It can be, but what is the main feature of it? That it can be measured or weighted, but cannot be counted. You cannot count them, right? Examples are here. For example, copper. We can make things from copper, iron, gold, silver, water, salt, iron, milk. These are the few examples of material noun. Many other materials are also here. You know this thing, and means anything that is used for making any other thing. Okay. Here you can see the picture. Iron is here. We can make the things from iron. Copper. Here you can see milk is here. Here you can see silver, and this is salt. Means these things are used as the ingredients to make something. Okay. Next is your countable nouns. We will learn about. These were the 5 kinds of nouns of yours. Now we will learn about the countable nouns. So countable nouns and uncountable nouns, the 5 categories, the 5 types that you have learnt about of nouns, they fit under these 2 types of nouns, countable and uncountable. So what are countable? As the name suggests, Bacha, that you can count. Okay. So they are the nouns that can be counted. Countable nouns have both singular as well as plural form, right? If you can count, you can convert them into plural form also, no? I have 1 class, I have 4 classes, I have 2 classes, okay? I have a chair, I have 2 to 3 chairs or 6 to 7 chairs, right? So here examples are given to you. For example, 1 book, so many will be books. Class, many will be classes. Box, single, boxes, plural. Okay, baby, singular, babies, plural. Usually, most of the common and collective nouns are countable nouns. Okay, obvious common noun we can count. All the examples that you have read in the previous slide, they all were the common nouns almost, right? And collective nouns, these two we can count. So words such as one, few, many can be used with countable nouns. Okay. For example, a girl, 1 pen, few coins, many notebooks. So few and many we use there, bacha, where we can count them. Okay. Though they are many, we can call them. For example, there are many notebooks. Okay. So in spite of saying ki these are 100 or 150 notebook, we are saying that there are many notebooks. But though they are countable, we can count them. So we are using many. Otherwise, we will use much if we will unable to count them. Okay. Few coins. If we will unable to count them, we will use little. Okay. So countable nouns, we can use a, one, few or many over here. Now next we will learn about the So what are uncountable nouns? They are the nouns that cannot be counted. Means they are uncountable. Okay, that cannot be counted. So they do not have a plural form of them. Okay, obviously if they cannot be counted, so they don't have a plural form of them. They only have a singular form, right? So proper nouns name a particular person, place or thing which are unique or one of its kind, as you have learned. So therefore they are classified under uncountable noun. Okay. For example, we have read Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, you cannot count, right? Sachin Tendulkar is a single person, is one person. Okay, so you cannot count him. So that's why it is a proper noun. Proper nouns are uncountable nouns. Next, material nouns are also uncountable, like sugar, milk, tea, iron, gold, glass. They all are uncountable. You cannot count them. Okay, so material nouns are also like that, which cannot be counted. Next is your abstract noun. Obvious, which are abstract noun, you cannot count. Honesty, you cannot count. Knowledge, you cannot count. Beauty, innocence, they all are uncountable. So few exceptions are also here. So some words are like that can be used both as countable and uncountable nouns depending on the context. For example, few material nouns are like that which are also the common nouns, right? Means the word, it depends on the word how it is used. So examples are given to you. First is this vase is made up of glass. Okay. So vase is made of glass means the material you are asking about, that glass is a material over here. Okay, so you cannot count this material, glass you cannot count. Okay, so for example, this picture you can see that this vase is made up of glass. You cannot count the glass, you can count the vase, that there is one vase. Next, here you can see a picture and the sentence will be, this glass is full of water. Okay, this glass is full of water. As you can see, there is one glass and it is filled with water. So this you can count now, that there is one glass only. So here it is countable. The glass word is countable over here as it is used as a common noun. Okay, so hopefully you have understood the countable, uncountable and types of nouns. So and just write down or note down your queries and ask me in the Zoom session. Okay, work hard, bacha, and stay safe at home. Thank you so much.